Today we're going to be creating a story. This is the Display.Stream Creative Console and this is the story creation page. First thing you'll want to do is add some medias to your story. You can get them from your desktop by coming over here and clicking on Files. You can also drag and drop directly into your story. You can add medias from your library. Your library is made up of medias that you've used and uploaded in the past. You can sort your medias in your story any way you want by clicking and dragging them into their position. You can delete media simply by clicking on the media, clicking the X, and deleting. You can also replace any image with another media if you'd like by clicking on that media and going to Replace Image. It's going to allow you to replace the image with anything you have in your library. You can change the poster of your story by clicking in your story page, going to General Settings. This is also where you could name your story or give it a description, but right here is where you change your poster. Now if you go to your home page, you can see the story you created now displaying that poster you selected to represent your whole story. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you for using Display.Stream.